Hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I love to sew. Therefore, I upload sewing related videos. If that's something that you're into, check out some of my other videos and subscribe. You're watching me, subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, what's up? Guess what? It's an unboxing for this Singer sewing machine. I'm not going to go into detail of the sewing machine. I'm just going to have you guys watch me open it. So yeah, let's get started. So my machine broke, okay? I cried many tears if you saw me on Instagram. I cried a lot, ¿verdad, ma?
Sí.
My mom is here. Say hello, mama.
Hi.
She's here, but she doesn't have her makeup. She doesn't look fabulous, so she's not about to show her face. So my machine broke, and this is a Singer Classic, and my parents gifted me the Singer Heavy Duty machine. Let me see if this, yeah. So it's almost an identical machine. Put this to the side and say farewell to my Classic. Someone is planning on coming to fix it, so if it does get fixed and serviced, I'm debating whether to sell it or to just keep it on the back burner and just have it kind of store it away to make sure it's okay. But it is an awesome machine. I bought it used for $80 on Craigslist and it lasted me 3 years. It's awesome. The bottom bobbin ended up rising and it caused my machine to lock. So I tried fixing it, my husband tried fixing it, and it's just not in the best shape. So let's just put it up to the side. I figured since my mom's here, I figured I'd ask her some questions while I unbox and see what she thought when I first started sewing. ¿Verdad, ma?
Sí.
Oh, hey. I'm gonna go ahead and ask my mom 3 questions, and let's see what my mom says. They're gonna be in Spanglish, so if you don't know Spanish, I'll try and translate. If you know Spanish, then you know what I'm gonna say in both languages. So the first question for mom is, let's see if she answers honestly, what she thought about me when I first started sewing. A ver, mamá, ¿qué pensaste tú cuando primero me miraste coser?
Yo dije, oh, wow, mi hija está aprendiendo a coser.
No, you did not.
No, yo lo dije en mí misma.
Oh, okay. My mom said that she was like, inside her mind, she was like, oh, wow, my daughter's going to start sewing. Okay. The second, but that's not how she reacted. ¿Te recuerdas cómo reaccionaste cuando yo, look, mom, I'm starting to sew? And she was like, okay.
Es que lo sorprendes a uno con cosas que ni lo espera uno.
She's like, you showed up to my house with something that I was like, really? Because I went to my mom's house with my sewing machine. Estaba embarazada.
Mm-hmm.
I was pregnant with Aaron, with my son, with our son, and I went to my mom's house and I was like, oh, look, mom, I got a sewing machine. And she was just like, okay.
Empezamos a sacarte todos los pantalones.
Yeah, they started taking out all their shorts and stuff and seeing if I could hem them. All of the stuff that I hemmed that night fell apart. ¿Verdad? Todo lo que yo cosí se jodió. And then my mom was like, see, you're not good at sewing. And I was like, I'm learning. A ver, la segunda pregunta es, I used to have a weighted blanket business. ¿Qué pensaste del negocio de las sábanas de peso? So what did you think about my weighted blanket business?
Y qué bonito porque estaba haciendo algo hermoso para los niños especiales.
She thought it was an awesome thing that I was doing for kids and adults with special needs. Oh my gosh, it comes with the walking foot and needle. that's pretty, and it comes with a brand new needle. That's so shiny. So also, I've never gotten like a new sewing machine. So this is exciting. All the machines that I've ever owned, I've owned now, this one is probably my 4th machine, and all of them have been used except for this one, including my serger. So my serger I bought used, and I broke it within a week, 2 weeks, but I still purchased it used. ¿Tú no tienes preguntas para mi mom?
No.
My mom doesn't have any questions for me. You believe that? It's fine. So let's go ahead and thread. Oh, wow! Mira! That's crazy. I have so many more options. Let's see if they say that this one is really fast, because a lot of people say this one is fast. Oh, wow. Ah, I'm not even pushing it all the way down to the floor. Wow, that's butter. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I don't know what else to say. This is an unboxing. I tried it. Oh my gosh, I'm already so in love with it, and I don't want to like mess with it. If you guys ever just get a sewing machine and you just want to stare at it, that's how I'm currently feeling. So I'm just gonna go ahead and ask my mom the last and final question. A ver, ma.
Dime.
¿Qué piensas ahora? ¿Qué piensas de que yo ando cosiendo? ¿Qué piensas?
Más profesional.
The question was what my mom thinks of me now with sewing, and she said that it's more professional. Nada más?
Sí.
But all right, I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and make it a great day, week, and month so you can have a great year. Bye. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.